everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Gursheen Kaur and I hope all of you are doing great. Since I posted the last video, I think shortly after that Zena ma'am came up with the BTR 2.0 schedule, and so many of you asked me this question that how are we supposed to finish our first reading till 31st January? Should we create our own schedule or should we follow the BTR 2.0 schedule? So I thought, I should just come up and address this question that how can you actually utilize this BTR 2.0 schedule effectively and still finish your first reading till 31st January. So please watch this video till the end. So guys, firstly remember, when I say 31st January, what we're going to do is we're going to span all the 19 subjects across these 2 months. We're going to do it once, watch the videos, write down the notes. We're also going to keep revising these subjects along with this schedule. So if you haven't watched my last video where I talk about the 6-month roadmap, please go and watch it because I have discussed more in details about everything that you're supposed to do in this first reading. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about everything extra that you need to do apart from that. Now guys, first thing first, the new schedule is actually very easy. Ma'am has given enough days for each subject. Now first, your target should be to complete the subject in given amount of time. और वो तुम तभी कर पाओगे if you're doing BTR itself. I mean, there are going to be backlogs. It's very normal to have backlogs, which is why we have buffer days in between. तो उनमें हम cover कर सकते हैं. But I'll tell you actually why people have backlogs. हम क्या करते हैं ना यार, we don't stick to BTR. What we tend to do is हमें लगता है कि BTR तो हम जल्दी खत्म कर लेंगे because videos don't take that much amount of time और annotation में भी इतना time नहीं जाएगा. तो जो एक्स्ट्रा बचता है ना, उसमें हम क्या करते हैं ना, वी ट्राई एंड डू एक्स्ट्रा. आर कर लोगे या मेन नोट्स पे चले जाओगे तो होता क्या है ना, तुम दोनों ही अच्छे से नहीं कर पाते. सो वन एडवाइस दैट आई वुड वांट टू गिव यू इज द लास्ट वीडियो ऑल्सो आई टोल्ड यू दिस कि प्लीज फर्स्ट साइकिल में ना जस्ट फोकस ऑन BTR इटसेल्फ. इसी को मास्टर करो, इसी को बार बार रिवाइज करो. इवन इफ यू हैव टाइम, रिवाइज इट ऑल ओवर अगेन फ्रॉम BTR इटसेल्फ. हैव टू कीप दिस एज द टारगेट कि इससे ज्यादा दिन इस सब्जेक्ट को नहीं दे सकते. Secondly, according to the schedule, there are 5 subjects which are coming after 31st January: PSM, Derma, Anesthesia, OBG and Pediatrics. हमारा टारगेट है to add on these subjects into the schedule so that we can finish our first reading till 31st January. So I'm going to tell you 2 ways to do that. Now, firstly, guys, all of us have some strong subjects. We know कि हमें उन सब्जेक्ट्स को करने में इतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा. Let's say right now, there are integrated systems. Ma'am has spanned the entire integrated systems along with general physiopath and pharma across 21 days. And I think 21 days are more than enough, guys. You don't actually need 2 days to finish a system. I mean, there are certain systems like CVS and Neuro which might require 2 days. Shorter systems like GI, Rheumat really don't require 2 days. You can easily finish it off in 1 day. Likewise, you have to identify your strong subjects. You have to take out the extra days. जल्दी खत्म करने की कोशिश करो. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा दिन बचते हैं ना, उसमें यू डू द सब्जेक्ट्स व्हिच अकॉर्डिंग टू द शेड्यूल यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू इन February. और उन सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए इवन इफ यू डू द वीडियोस एंड एनोटेट योर नोट्स राइट नाउ, दैट इज इनफ. क्वेश्चंस नहीं भी कर पा रहे हो तो दैट इज इनफ, बिकॉज तब 31st जनवरी के बाद जब हम वो सब्जेक्ट्स करेंगे ना, दैट इज व्हेन वी विल रिवाइज इट एंड वी कैन डू द क्वेश्चंस. सो अभी के लिए इतना भी कर पा रहे हो, इट्स फाइन. Secondly, guys, now this is my favorite trick. I mean, I started doing it after the January postponement. I think this was one thing that actually helped me so much along my journey, which was what I like to call the golden 2 hours. So what I used to do was, let's say if you're studying for 8 hours on an average, you divide your day into 6 plus 2. तो वो जो 2 घंटे है ना, उसमें वी विल डू एवरीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा दैट वी वांट टू डू विच इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द शेड्यूल. सो उस एक्स्ट्रा में तुम्हारे लिए क्या आएगा? लेट्स से व्हाटएवर यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू फॉर द डे एज पर द शेड्यूल, यू प्लान इट इन दो 6 hours. बीट वॉचिंग द वीडियोज, एनोटेटिंग द नोट्स, कोई कस्टम मॉड्यूल करना है या कोई सब्जेक्ट वाइज टेस्ट देना है, वो सब कुछ ना यू हैव टू ट्राई एंड डू इट इन 6 hours. तो ये जो 2 घंटे बचते हैं ना, इसमें यू विल पिक अप वन ऑफ दोज 5 सब्जेक्ट्स. तो यू कैन स्पैन दीज 2 hours अक्रॉस 1 week. तो दैट मेक्स 14 hours, एंड 14 hours guys are enough to do 1 long subject, or you can do 1 medium and 1 short subject, or you can finish 2 or 3 short subjects, right? So इस हिसाब से just taking out these 2 hours from your day, you can finish all those 5 subjects by the end of December only. उसके बाद में just stick to your schedule. और तब ये जो 2 घंटे है ना, इसमें तुम कुछ भी करो यार. First, your priority in the first cycle should be to revise. Every day, make sure that you are revising something that you've already done, because this is going to take you a very long way. Once you're done with the revisions, तो तब when you're confident कि यार ठीक है, अभी इतना रिवाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, then 2 घंटे में you can do questions, you can do RR, you can go through your main notes of certain subjects, but provided only if you're confident in your BTR. Otherwise, in 2 घंटे में just revise BTR. So these are the 2 ways by which you can, modify the schedule and finish your reading till 31st January while still following the schedule. 31st के बाद जो भी subject आ रहे हैं, consider it as your revision. Actually, na guys, at the end, remember the thing is, you have to be smart enough to curate a schedule for yourself and disciplined enough to follow it. Apart from this, as I always keep mentioning, guys, please sit for every END that is coming across the cycle. Sit for GTs every 15 to 20 days. I mean, there is no excuse for both these things because tests itne important hai na. I cannot emphasize on the importance that the tests and question solving holds. 4 cycles of ENDs are already over and 5th is going to come up now. So imagine you already have so much to do, which is why I keep saying please stick to BTR first reading ke liye. Stick to BTR, keep revising it, keep attending the exam and discussions. I want to talk a little bit more about exam and discussions of BTR. So whenever you sit for an exam and discussion, give the exam and watch the entire discussion please. Don't just watch the questions that were incorrect. Sit down, watch it at 1.5 or 2x speed, but watch the entire discussion. Because होता क्या है ना यार, ये exam and discussions में ना मैम discusses so many important topics and questions that you're supposed to annotate into your BTR. और होता क्या है ना, जब इन एग्जाम एंड डिस्कशन में से कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन एग्जैक्टली एग्जाम में पढ़ा होगा, देन विल बी लाइक कि BTR में से तो आया नहीं सर, मैम BTR में से आया, आपने अच्छे से किया नहीं. द प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट इन योर कॉन्टेंट, द प्रॉब्लम इज योर एबिलिटी टू डू दैट कॉन्टेंट नाइसली. One advice that I would like to give जब भी तुम कुछ annotate करते हो BTR में, which is extra, which might be from your exam and discussions or your GTs, try writing it down with a different colored pen ताकि तुम्हें पता हो कि these are the things that I've added later on and this was my core BTR stuff. That way you just have that demarcation and understanding कि ये मुझे ज़्यादा पढ़ना है और ये core BTR तो I've done it multiple times, I will be able to retain it. So this one trick really help guys. With every revision, whatever you add, try using a different colored pen. So yeah, I think that is how you can plan your first reading till 31st January. I mean, even if you want to stick to the schedule, you can do that also. 1 month won't make a difference. होगा क्या? If you are following the same schedule which is going up till February end, you will be able to revise the subjects like a little more time. अगर आप 31st January तक खत्म कर रहे हो अपनी first reading तो वही थोड़ी कम revisions कर पाओगे. But at the end, it's the same. 31st तक खत्म करने का ना मतलब सिर्फ यही है, so that you can just have that थोड़ा सा confidence कि यार हाँ एक बार के लिए 19 subjects we have done it once. So I think this is just a way of us feeding our egos कि we have done 19 subjects once till 31st January. अभी time है तो अभी revise कर लेंगे. So that is the only thing. Ultimately ना guys, जो भी कर रहे हो please do it nicely. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. This was a short one, but I hope it helped you. And I hope now you can curate a schedule for yourself according to your needs. And please stick to it, guys. I hope I could answer your queries. And still, if you have any doubts, any questions, you can always comment down below and I'll try to include all of that in my later videos. But yeah, thank you for watching. All the very best and I will see you next week.